VACON 100 configurator. Let's take an example of a VACON 100 drive. We start by selecting the V100 configurator. In the basic group, we actively select a value in each attribute that either has a drop-down list or a radio button list, with no selections made. In this case, we actively select VACON 100 flow, 380 to 500 VAC, 205 amp, IP00, EMC C4 system component, and metric conduit plate. In the I/O cards group, we just skip to accept the pre-selection proposals. In the documentation, language and software group, we actively select paper manuals. In the approvals group, we just skip to accept the pre-selection proposals. In the cabinet options and general groups, we can see that all attributes are settled by deduction. So now that we're satisfied with the selections, we can click the Review Configuration button. The model code for this configuration is as shown. Again, by clicking the Proceed to Extras button, it's possible to get a comprehensive overview of documents, visuals, accessories, spare parts, services and software that are relevant for this particular configuration.